Hello, today I'm going to show you how to easily repair and fix the broken on and off power switch of my grandmother's speakers. But this tutorial can be used for any audio or household appliance. The first task is to purchase a switch of the same size and function. Since I need the system today, I'm going to use a different switch. This one is an on and off on switch, but the principle is the same. The next step is to disconnect the appliance from the AC outlet to avoid electrical injuries. Then, unscrew all the screws to access the backside of the panel where the switch is located. Often, the switch only breaks the one wire. In this case, the switch breaks both the phase and neutral from the AC power. Now, disconnect all the wires. It's a good idea to take a photo beforehand, so you know where each wire was connected. If you don't have the switch, but the appliance needs to be turned on, you can simply connect the wires. The switch doesn't do much more than connect and disconnect the wires from each other. In my case, the switch connects on both sides, but with the correct switch, you won't have to worry about this too much. You can try to remove the hot glue with pliers, but it can be tricky. It's easier to heat the glue using a hairdryer on the hottest setting, or you can also use a heat gun. When the glue becomes soft, remove the old switch and insert the new one. Fill any gaps with glue and heat it up so it flows into all the gaps, ensuring the switch is firmly fixed. I bought the correct switch. Just reconnect the old wires to the new switch. The photo you took of the wiring will help with the reconnecting the wires. Since I don't have the same switch, I had to solder the wires and connect one wire pair together because my switch could only handle one wire pair. Once all the wires are connected, reassemble the speaker, plug it into AC power, turn it on and hope that it works again. If you have any questions while watching this video, feel free to ask in the comments below. Remember, electricity is dangerous, and you should only work with it if you're at least 18 years old or have supervision from a grandmother.